The best way to trade Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency to understand the culture of that particular asset. Bitcoin has a culture, right? And that culture is the language that it speaks. I believe that every trading instrument has a particular set of language they speaks, all right? So if you take a look of Bitcoin and also take a look at some of those altcoin, you can see the difference in their chart setup, the languages they speak. All right, so in today's video, guys, we're going to dive into how to understand the structure of the market, all right, and what you should be looking at for and using Bitcoin as a case study. If that is of interest to you, kindly subscribe to this channel and like this video. All right, guys, so welcome to our channel once again. And for us to really understand the market structure of every financial instrument, I know there are basic rules that governs it. Market moves in waves. That the hope of every trader is to buy low and sell high. Now, but if you should take a look of this whole thing, which one is the low and which one is the high? Now, to some people that bought here is their low. Now, people that sells here is their high. Other people that bought here is their low and sell here is their high. People that can easily buy here is their low and sell here is their high. But now, it's very, very difficult for you to actually pinpoint the low of the market or the high of the market. It all depends on the time frame and when you are joining the market and when you are exiting the market. But the overall rules, the best thing that you can focus on is to have an edge how you join the market, all right? Because as this market is coming down like this, it comes down with these spikes up, spikes up, spikes up. Some persons can still buy here and sell here, while other persons can still buy here high, wait and also sell here. So you can see he endures this downtrend and sells here and he still makes money. So there are psychologists of the market, and there are all kind of stuff like risk management that you need to have in the back of your mind. Now, our focus is to understand the patterns that these wave structures make, and there are Dow theory and there are Elliott wave theory. Now, but the summary of it all says that every market starts with what? An impulse. And once that impulse is completed, it goes into consolidation. And once the consolidation is completed, another impulse is formed. Now, every trader should focus on how to catch this next impulse, because this is where the money is made. All right. Most people can trade this, but it's only professional that can still make money trading this choppy market. Now, this first wave must be from professional point of view that most people might not really see this. So our focus is to make sure that once we see an impulse, we wait for a correction. The next impulse we'll catch it as the market develops, especially if it's forming in a smaller time frame and stuff like this. All right, so having established that, let's see what Bitcoin is doing and see how we can take advantage of it. Now, if you take a look on Bitcoin from weekly chart, you can see clearly that Bitcoin has been going sideways. All right, why do I say sideways? You see, some person said Bitcoin is breaking out. Nobody knows if he's breaking out or not, because this is all-time high. This is the previous low point, okay, kind of a support. You can call it a support. This is a resistance, all-time high resistance. Now, if there's something you should take home today, that as long as Bitcoin hasn't broken this top and it's just within this range, is what? Consolidating. Right? Nobody knows how long this is going to take, but one thing is certain: consolidation can break up, also it can break down. So that's why you don't need to jump. Okay, remember this is a weekly chart, so let's dive down to so for now, let's remove this other trend, other line. So I'm maintaining this. So why do we maintaining this? This is the low, this is the high. So we are waiting for market to break up or break down for us to know that the market is trending. So two ways. Then we're also looking for a structure that we can recognize in between this move. So if you go down to weekly, you can see that the market has just completed the first one here is 1, 2, 3. Okay, you see, this is kind of, if you check other charts, you see this low actually broke this previous one, but using this Binance Futures chart, you see this is the lowest point here. This is the lowest point, not this one. Okay, so this is a 3-wave move down. So we have another 3-wave move, another 3-wave move up is loading. Okay, so you can see that now that a trend has been formed here. So inside this trend now we are seeing a very sharp sell-off. So let's go down to 4 hours. You go to 4 hours now, you can see that the market actually has, after this fast sell-off here, makes this one. Okay, this is a correction. So from there we're expecting it to go, but you completed this, making this a complex correction. So from there now, this is the kind of impulse. This is a correction. We're expecting another impulse. So how far will this thing goes? Maybe 618 of this move. The golden ratio somewhere here, 49 plus. Then after that it'll be coming down. But let's be sure of the golden ratio of this point. So if you take this from up down, you can see that this is a very important point to watch out for. Okay, and also this is another important point to watch out for. So why do I put this is a 0.618 fib level. Okay, so we're expecting the market at least to touch it, to touch this point, and from there we can see if this gives us A, B, C, then there might be a sell-off. Okay, down more, or if you give us a correction here, there might be another push up. So we are waiting for any of them to play out. So but if you go to 1 hour now, you can see clearly on 1 hour that this has been what, an impulse. This is an impulse, so we're waiting for a correction for the next impulse. So let's watch out for these guys. So if you are trading Bitcoin, I think this you should wait for this correction. Then after that, we'll trade this setup. All right, so that's what we are waiting for based on what the market structure is telling us. That you can see clearly that this is a very sharp impulse. We have a sell down, 3-wave down, 3-wave up, another 3-wave down like this. Okay, then the wave is going. So guys, you can see that understanding the market structure will give you an edge not to jump into the market and also wait for the turn, the market to get to your zone before you take a trade on the market. So we are waiting for these guys, wait for this correction. Okay, probably it might touch this trend, depends on how deep it goes before the market goes up like this. So these are the things we're waiting for now. Then if it goes deep like this, that means this next move is going to be aggressive, which is better for all of us. All right, so if you take a look on Ethereum too, you can also see that the same thing is loading as Bitcoin. It has finished this setup. Ethereum has just finished this. 1, 2, 3. So let's watch out for this before it drops again. Okay, so that's something we are waiting for on Ethereum. All right guys, if you like this content and if you want more of this, kindly subscribe to this channel and like this video. See you on the next